Hello, everyone. My name is Aaliyah Taylor. I am currently a graduate student at Grand Canyon University. I am here to speak on initiatives and referendums in the state of Arizona. We are going to start with the definitions of both, how they are created, and then we'll proceed to compare and contrast what an initiative is and what a referendum is. The initiative and referendum process in Arizona plays a crucial role in direct democracy, enabling citizens to directly participate in legislative process. An initiative is a process through which citizens can propose and enact new laws or amendments to the state constitution. It allows citizens to gather signatures on a petition to put their proposed law on a ballot for a public vote. A referendum, on the other hand, is a process by which citizens can petition to repeal an existing law that was enacted by the state legislature. Like the initiative, it involves gathering signatures to put the revoke question on the ballot for a possibility of becoming a law. To create an initiative, proponents must draft a proposed law or a constitutional amendment and gather a specific number of valid signatures from registered voters. If enough signatures are collected, the initiative is placed on a ballot for a public vote. To initiate a referendum, citizens must gather a predetermined number of signatures within a specific time frame. If required signatures are collected, the referendum is placed on the ballot for voters to decide whether to revoke the law. Now that we learned a little bit about initiatives and referendums, let's compare and contrast the two. Initiatives create new laws or amend existing ones, while referendums speak to annul or confirm existing laws. Initiatives originate with citizens, whereas referendums initiated in response to laws passed by the state legislature. Both processes rely on gathering signatures, but the outcomes are different. Initiatives create, while referendums repeal. So now we're going to talk about the pros and cons of the both. Initiative pros are they empower citizens to directly shape policy, can address issues that state legislator may be unwilling to tackle, reflects the principle of direct democracy outlined in the Arizona Constitution. The cons are it may lead to laws that are hastily drafted or conflicting with the existing laws, potential for manipulation or funding by special interest groups, and also can result in a crowded and complex ballot when it's time to vote. The pros and cons of the referendum is it allows citizens to challenge past laws by the legislature, provides a check on the power of the elected officials, and upholds the principle of citizen oversight. The cons are it may result in confusion if a law is repealed and no alternative is proposed, can be used for political purposes or to block necessary legislation. And another con is it may lead to delays in implementing important policies. So initiatives and referendums are instrumental in realizing the concept of direct democracy as outlined in the Arizona Constitution. The Arizona Constitution in Article 4, Section 1 grants citizens the power of the initiative and referendum, reinforcing the idea that ultimate authorities resides with the people. These processes enable citizens of Arizona to actively participate in lawmaking and serve as a vital mechanism for ensuring that the government remains accountable and responsive to the will of the people. They align with the principle of popular sovereignty, emphasizing that government should serve the interests and preferences of its citizens. In conclusion, initiatives and referendums are essential tools to direct democracy in Arizona, allowing citizens to have a direct say-so in lawmaking and policy decisions, thus promoting government transparency and responsiveness to the needs and desires of the people. Thank you.